you're experiencing a login failure with the error code 2026 in Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Baldur's Gate 3 website or social media pages to check if the servers are down for maintenance or experiencing issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Pause Baldur's Gate 3 completely and restart it. Sometimes the simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the login failure. Step 3. Verify game files. If you are using a platform like Steam, right-click on the game in your library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them. Step 4. Update the game. Ensure that Baldur's Gate 3 is updated to the latest version. Check for updates on your gaming platform and install any available patches, as these may include fixes for login issues. Step 5. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, your firewall or antivirus software may block the game from connecting to the servers. Check your firewall settings and add Baldur's Gate 3 as an exception, or temporarily disable your antivirus to see if that resolves the issue. If you follow these steps and still encounter problems, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.